As with all my videos, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please consult your financial advisor to associate the risks involved in any trading strategy. Welcome back all. Today is Tuesday, February 28th. So I went ahead and added up for the total for February. We made $1,153.90. So I am going to go ahead and transfer that out. And let's go ahead and jump into this week. So I did go ahead and do that transfer of $1,153.90 out of the account. So looking at last week, we had the $58 Dash puts, and Dash did drop below 58. Actually, it's at like $54 now. So this is the first time we actually got a sign, and people are probably wondering how options work. Well, this is a good example here. So if we look at this, so I had to buy the 300 quantity at $58, which cost a total of $17,400. So DoorDash right now, I think it's at $54.20 or something like that a share. And I bought the 3 at 58, which was $17,400. So now the 3, if it's currently at $54.20, so $5,420, it will be is worth $16,260. So whoever sold this, you know, they paid me that $200 or $300. They instantly will make $1,140 because I had to buy it at $58 regardless of what the total was on Friday. And so now what I did was I turned around and sold the call. Since I bought it at $58, I'm selling the $58 call, and I got a total of $96.69 and $48.35. So that $96.69 plus the $48.35 leaves a total of $145.04. So I did go ahead and update that total for this week, $145.04. Today is March 6th, Monday. I'm going to go ahead and jump into the second week here of March. So the second week of March here, the DoorDash didn't hit our call price. So I went ahead and sold 3 more of the DoorDash. I did again the $58 option here. And we got a total of $295.01. So I did go ahead and update this week, $295.01. And next week the amount we withdrew out to pay on the credit card should all be updated next week. Today is Monday, March 13th. Before I jump in this week, a couple weeks ago, we transferred the $1,153.90 out. So we're going to look at that. So I paid the minimum payment $61, $72, the $41 down here at the bottom, and what was left was $979.90. So I went ahead and put that entire balance on this card. So this card only has $14.91 and it'll be paid off. So I withdrew all of this money from these credit cards, haven't spent a dime of my own money yet, and this card will be paid back here next time we withdraw. So that total $1,153.90 has been taken out. So let's go ahead and jump into this week. So all 3 of the DoorDash expired last week. It didn't hit the call price of $58. So I basically just went ahead and repeated it. Sold 3 more calls here for a total of $277.01. So I went ahead and updated that amount, $277.01. So I'll come back next week with the last week of March. Today is March 20th, Monday. I'm going to go ahead and jump into this week. So looking at this week, DoorDash did go above $58. So it did go ahead and sell those at $58. So all 300 at $58. So I turned around today and then did another Dash put. Now that we don't own it anymore, I'm selling puts again. So I sold 3 quantity puts, got a total of $367.01. So I went ahead and updated that total of $367.01. Next week, it ends in April, so this will be the end of March. So I'll do that withdrawal next Monday.